Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage notifications on MacBook Air. And to do this we'll need to open our system settings. Now locate the notifications, and inside you can adjust the settings, so when your MacBook is unlocked you will allow notifications when the display is sleeping, allow notifications when the screen is locked, and also allow notifications when mirroring or sharing a display. You can also adjust application notifications, so click on each of the application you want to change the settings for. So for example, here we have FaceTime, and we can enable to show notifications on lock screen, show notifications in a notification center, show batch application icon, or play sound for notifications. And also you can enable or disable the notifications for specific apps and adjust the style of it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.